Hey guys, it's VertiBlocks Gaming here, and today we're doing another episode on Phantom Forces Valentine's Day update with the Penguin 178. What's up, Penguin? Yehuda! Penguin, what's up is the sky. It's what's up, get it? What's up? Ha 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 ha.
Very funny.
Did you guys hear about the kidnapping? He woke up. Pop! If you guys are new to my channel, please subscribe, turn on post notifications, and leave a like on the video. And enjoy. If you guys know a friend that would like my videos, like the channel, like anything on my channel, ask them to subscribe, share them the video. I really would appreciate if you guys subscribe. It means a lot to me. So let's get into this. Penguin, join me. Penguin, join me.
I would. Yes, go. Go, come on, Penguin. No. I'm doing that, but I can't really. Not this second.
ZC, if you join me right now, it'll take a while for your thing to load in. Okay, we're having technical difficulties. Okay, Yuhud, I guess we're not spawning on people this round. Yuhud, I think it's just a round we're in. Oh yeah, silver play button is at 100,000 apparently.
Remember not to use names. Okay, if you're,
Backstab. Maz and Nagat. Sucker. Someone spawn on me and crawl on top of me so we can win. Ah. Someone crawl on me, please. Penguin, join my game, please. Now.
Are you recording soon?
I am recording right now.
Yeah, then don't use names.
I don't. CC, I don't use last names. I already leaked Yehuda's first name accidentally.
And your own name.
Yep. I leaked that as your first. I leaked my
name.
I already did. On me. And on upper roof. You just.
I just anything. You're watching you buy the books yet. Oh, too much.
Huda, join me now. Join me now. We're gonna win. We're gonna win. Join me. Join me. Join me. Join me. Join me. Join me. Come on. We're gonna win if you join. We need you. Dude, we need you. Yehuda. Yehuda. Join. Times I have to say that. Join. See you, guy. Granada! No! 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 You don't need you now! I just fell at the top roof accidentally. I need help. Yuta, everybody has it. It's not a big deal. Nobody can spawn on other people. It's on every... Yuta, it's a glitch in the game right now. Every server has it. Just join me, Yuta, now! Yes, join! Now where I'm not playing with you. Well, Yuta, I'm gonna tell them not to work on it until you join. What the heck? Ooh. Aha! Yuta, I figured out how to showcase my thing. That's sick. You push H. This, guys, is the Dragon of SUV. Great gun. I like it. Let's do this.
I think that a while ago.
Yeah, but you never told me that. Glock 17. ASB baton. I need you to get in here already. Dude, just get in the game now. 5, 4. Yuta, you are Yuta, somebody definitely reported it. Developer has shut down all games or servers. Okay, I'm duplicating tabs so I don't get kicked off. Hold on. Let me check here. You don't rejoin me. You just fixed it, everything. Yes. Finally. Yes, yes, yes. Fa-da-na-na-na-na-na Batman. Fa-da-la-la-la-la-la Batman. Na-na-na-na-na-na Batman. Ba-da-da-da-da Batman. Ba-da-da-da-da Batman. Ba-da-da-da-da Batman. Ooh, I think they might have added something in. I think he might have added something in. Oh, loading assets. Get past loading assets. Dude, have you joined me? More will come soon. Yehuda, that means that they are adding something right now. They just changed it. It said Valentine's Day update right before now. You on my team? Yes, you're on my team. I still can't use squad deploy. Dude, report the squad deploy thing. I still can't do that. Go sub to my channel. It is called 30 Blocks
one.
Gaming.
Same team. The same team of good. Stay on for now. I can use my
Yep.
M60 for now.
Still can't change.
No.
Oh, by the way, you can't either change weapons. Tell them that all the buttons aren't working.
No, deploy.
Dude, it's really annoying because I can't change the. I can't change. Are you on BFG? Please say you are on BFG.
No, I'm not.
That means you're stuck off of BFG. You know that means you can't use your BFG ever again until they fix this. You're stuck on whatever weapon you set it to last.
Or there's my way around it. Either way, I'm not that far from how
Okay.
I'm like 60, 70 kills like that.
Okay, I know what I'm naming this video now. Random Forces Major Bug. Please fix.
Please do. Please fix. Yes, I was saying that game, so I was there my shoulder up with monkey.
Hold on, I'm reporting this game here. Player, game, can't push
Monkey, you know my
button
shoulder when he puts.
on
I my
menu.
shoulder when he take me dead, really dead.
Oh! Oopsies. I just reported to Roblox. Whoops. Sure, you could have voted him out of the server. I don't really care.
You bored the game?
I accidentally reported the game. Maybe Roblox will fix. Yuda, I think he just fixed something. That was fast.
Good, that guy can't get kicked. I think that was that guy.
Join me. Join me. Join me. Join me. Please be able to use our buttons. Oh, Yehuda, it says press space to spawn now. Okay, that's weird. Let's see what he updated the dialogue. No, he's saying to do that because you can't click on the buttons. Hold on, getting in. Still can't push any buttons. I wish you could spawn. You to get over here. Get on the roof. Get on the roof. Get on the roof. Come on. Okay. Creator. G. Got you. Second death of the server. I got third kill of the server. Damn it. What? Sorry. Didn't mean to say that. Okay, you know now the whatchamacallit, being able to pick up other people's weapons are actually gonna come in handy. Go.
I don't care if they have a weapon that's update. As long as the next update they fix this glitch. Yeah.
Damn it!
No, actually, I have the best one. Can you come look I read?
Why?
Sure, they have weapons that's update. It's like doing better than adding new weapons right now. That's each side is interesting. Will be better than adding monkey.
That what? You can say my first name.
I know. Besides, I know what you call your next. What you call that video? It was the only video in the world.
I already know. Dude, I've already decided. You see, I can't change it.
Phantom Forces being Varsity.